And good Tuesday morning. Bundle up this morning. You may have to turn the heat on in the car for the first time this season. It is downright chilly. We've had some rural areas even dip back into the upper 30s to start. Welcome to fall. Boy, well, quite a change over the last 7 days. A live view from Carbondale this morning and gorgeous view there over the Morris Library Clock Tower and over SIU's campus. That's for sure. Temperature down to 42 degrees. Light breeze this morning from the west and southwest. Those dew points, a measure of how much humidity, how much moisture is in the air, back into the upper 30s. That is some dry air, and it's going to be a factor as we make our way into this afternoon, leading to another day with an elevated fire threat, especially when you factor in we're going to have a breeze again that starts to pick up. Once the sun comes up this morning, which is a little after 6:45 a.m., we will see the breeze quickly pick up this afternoon. Sustained winds from the northwest, right now expecting 12 to 14 miles per hour. We could see some gusts, though, near 20 miles per hour. And once again, dry fuels. Of course, we need the rain here in our region. Then you factor in the low relative humidity and the breeze, and that is going to elevate that fire threat. So burning leaves, brush, something like that, not really recommended here over the next couple of days. Cool temperatures also sticking around. This afternoon will be in the 70s. Tomorrow morning, we're expecting the first widespread 30s, especially into southern Illinois. And in fact, Wednesday afternoon, many of us are going to struggle to get out of the 60s. Don't worry, there is some warmer air on the way towards the end of the week. By Friday, at least temperatures starting to get a little closer to average for this time of year. But that cold front now off the east coast, lots of cooler air spilling in across the eastern half of the U.S. Now that cold front actually has a pretty big impact on the track of Hurricane Ian. It's going to keep a lot of that tropical moisture suppressed to our south. Big area high pressure, big blue H there just to our south and west this morning, keeping the northwest winds around this afternoon. Lunchtime temperatures upper 60s and a lower 70s. A lot of sunshine outside the breeze. It's going to be a pretty nice afternoon. Lower 70s today across southern Illinois, mid 70s across the Missouri Boot Heel and especially near the Kentucky and Tennessee line, Union City to Murray, upper 70s there. Meanwhile, Mount Vernon only today up to about 72, 73 degrees. And here we go into tomorrow morning. At this point, not anticipating any frost, but temperatures may dip back into the mid 30s along the I-64 corridor. Upper 30s, Carbondale to Harrisburg, lower 40s, Paducah to say Mayfield, and then Sikeston to Caruthersville into the mid 40s Wednesday morning. Wednesday afternoon, we'll start seeing a few clouds try to work their way in from the east. North wind staying around with us, so reinforcing some of the cool air. And high temperatures Wednesday only into the 60s. That is more than 10 degrees below average, though, on Wednesday afternoon. Staying well below average through Thursday. And then here we go towards the end of the week, first part of the weekend. Temperatures starting to creep back up. Average high this time of year in the upper 70s. We'll be pretty close to that by Saturday and Sunday. As far as rain goes, well, it's going to be slim pickings. You really have to go down to the southeast, starting to get the remnants there of Hurricane Ian across parts of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina. However, around here, lots of dry weather in our 7 and our 10-day forecast. A lot of sunshine through the rest of this week. In fact, outside the cool temperatures, some pretty nice weather. Saturday and Sunday, well, we may see a few more clouds, mainly from the remnants of Ian as it passes to our east. Upper 70s, though, by the end of the weekend, and creeping very close to average Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Some fall-like weather, though, right on cue. I'll tell you what, great weekend if you've maybe got some outdoor plans, heading to the pumpkin patch. Don't see many weekends like that one around here.
All right. Thank you, Nick. Good idea.